If you feel like life is moving forward, but you are stuck in the same place, this video is for you. Give me 2 minutes and I will show you how the next 30 days can change everything. Namaste, I am Jayavati. Welcome to my channel. Week 1 is simple. Clean your mind. Spend just 10 minutes every morning in silence. Write 3 lines of gratitude and every night ask yourself one question: what did I do today that moved me close to the life I want? This week, you don't need perfection, you need awareness. Week 2 is about cleaning your life, not just your home, your habits. Organize one routine, remove one toxic thoughts. Small cleaning creates big clarity. When your surrounding changes, your energy changes. Tell me, what is one habit you want to fix in your life? Week 3, we grow. Read for 20 minutes, move your body, talk to yourself with kindness, and set one small goal each day. This week is about providing to yourself that you're stronger than your excuses. Week 4 is magic. Visualize the life you want, feel it, write it, walk like the person you want to become. Because manifestation is not dreaming, it is becoming. In 30 days, you won't become a new person, but you will remember the powerful person you always were. So, rise, rebuild, reset. If you are ready to rebuild your life, start today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if this video helped you.